Hello, welcome back once again. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use a mouse and a keyboard on your phone like this. You can see that the keyboard is working very well and the mouse is also working very well. Now let's get started. First of all, you need an OTG. So this is a Type-C phone, so I'll just use the Type-C side of the OTG. Then I will insert it into the charging port of the phone. As soon as you insert it, it will give you a prompt to turn on the OTG in the settings. I don't know if I can see it well. Okay, so here is it. So just tap on go to settings OTG. Then you turn on the OTG from the settings. Just tap on settings. And once it is turned on, you can insert your mouse. So let's insert our mouse inside the OTG. Now you can see that the mouse is on now and it will be working very well on the phone. It's working very well. Now let's insert the keyboard too and see how it works. And the keyboard too is working perfectly well. You can see from the phone. Now let's insert both the mouse and the keyboard. The OTG have only one port for USB. So to insert both the OTG and the mouse, you need a USB hub like this one. Okay, so you insert the USB hub into the OTG like this. Okay, so the USB hub is on. Then you insert the mouse and the keyboard into the USB hub. So let me insert the mouse here and the mouse is on. And let me insert the keyboard also here and the keyboard is also on. Now let's try both and see if both of the keyboard and the mouse works. Okay, so let me select the already typed text like this and let me use the keyboard to type. You can see that both the mouse and the keyboard are working simultaneously. You can even insert a pen drive here and access it on the phone. If this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Until you meet again, bye bye.